How to fix app keeps logging out automatically. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can fix apps logging out automatically. So before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now let's dive right into it. So to fix apps logging out automatically, you can try some few common and basic fixes. First is a simple reboot. So restart your device by pressing on the power and the volume up button. A simple reboot can clear out temporary glitches, so simply tap on the restart button. And after you've restarted your device, you'll need to update the app that is giving you the issue. So locate your Google Play Store, open it up. So let's say my Messenger keeps on logging out, so I'll just search for Messenger. And if you see an update button available here, tap on update to update the app. Then after you've done that, you'll also need to search for any system updates. So go to your settings, scroll down till you find system, tap on it, then go to system updates. And if you have update available, update the app. After you've done that, you'll then need to go to your settings again. On your settings, go to apps, find the app, tap on see all apps. So let's search for Messenger here. You can search for the app that is giving you the issue, then open it up. Then you'll need to go to storage and cache, and then tap on clear cache and then clear storage. After you've cleared out the storage, you'll need to log back in, and after that you should not be facing such issues. Now if this does not work, you'll need to go to the app info section again, search for option that says app battery uses. Then if you find an option right here that says battery optimization, simply toggle it off. So if you don't find it here, go to your settings, go to initial settings, then go to battery. After you're here, if you see an option that says battery optimization, you can toggle that off. And doing those should fix your problem. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.